videos to use as a quick guide to using VAIF. In the previous video, we talked about the two types of events, general and specific. In this video, we're going to show you how to add general events to a conversation. You will need to create a conversation in order to run events. So how do you add events to your conversation? You're going to click on Conversation in your hierarchy window. This will open the inspector window of the conversation game object. You'll see that the scripts have already been added that you will need. So all you need to do is, in your event IM component, choose the type of event to add to your conversation. This video is going to show how to add a wait, which is the simplest event type to implement. So all I have to do is, in my event IM component, choose the type of event from the drop-down list of events, which I'm going to pick wait, and click add event. Clicking add event will add all the scripts to the component which we had to do manually for the timeline. So all you have to do is click on wait, and you'll see the appropriate components. For each of the events, this will be done smoothly for you. Now, every type of event requires settings and game objects to be assigned before you can run or play a scene. These settings that you're going to have to adjust include the next event, which I'll describe later, the agent, whether you want this agent to be looked at or in range, if it is the last event, and since this is a wait, what is the wait time? So what is the next event? The next event is a game object. It's really going to be what will be played next once you complete this current event that you're playing. So the current event I'm editing right now is wait. So what is the next event I want to play? So if I add another event to my conversation, say I'll make it another wait. If I'm editing this wait event, my next event, all I have to do is drag from this hierarchy of events to this next event field, drag the reference to the next event I want to be played. If you click on the box in this field, it should highlight in the left where this event is in the hierarchy. So in case you need to edit or change, all you have to do is drag a new one to that same field, and that will be the next event. Now you have to edit the agent field. You can edit this before you create the event by going to the conversation that you want to add the event to. So in this conversation, if I want to add a new event, before I even create it, I can drag the reference. So say I want to use agent Laura. I drag the reference of my agent Laura to this game object reference field for agents, and then I create the new event. Add the event to the conversation, which will be the last one added, and I see here that Laura is referenced as the targeted agent for this event. Or alternatively, you can edit the event manually by going to the event itself. So I pick any of these events I want to edit, and I modify this reference for agent to be a different agent or any agent. This wait event will target the agent Taima, say, so I drag and drop her reference there. Now you have to edit the want in range field. This field is a required setting. This setting, like the want looked at, has three possibilities that you have to choose from as a condition to starting this event. So in combination with want looked at, want in range has three possibilities: true, don't care, and false. True for want in range means that the user must be near the agent referenced in agent. So in order for this event to execute or play, If I select true, the user must be in range to timer. If I choose false, the user must not be near timer. And if I choose don't care, the event will play regardless of the user's location. An events want looked at is another required setting. This setting, much like the want in range, has the three possibilities to choose from. If I choose true, the user must look at the agent referenced in agent, in this case timer. If I choose false, the user must not look at the agent referenced in agent, which is still timer. And if I choose don't care, the event is going to play regardless of the user's gaze direction. These two are the two conditions which will determine if this event can be played or not. And until these two conditions are met, in combination, this event will not play.